guys. I don't know what time it is. It's late, it's dark, I just woke up. Do you hear that? I don't know what's happening, but I just woke up to this sound and like, what is this? So I'm gonna check it out. Marathon? I don't know. I looked yesterday. It's kind of good. It's kind of catchy. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of good. It's so weird though. I mean, like, of course, they're right below us. Like, of course, the band is right below me. So. Yeah, I was sleeping, and then heard like loud banging, and I'm like, what is that? And then at first I thought, okay, my brother is just being really loud, playing loud music at night, and I'm like, why is it so loud? Like, I was gonna go to his room and tell him, like, turn it off, turn it down. And then they were like me, they were like, what is that noise? And then I was like, it's not you, then what is it? So then I like looked at the window, I didn't see anything. So I opened the door from the balcony and I was like, oh, a marathon. A marathon at 4 in the morning, I don't know. But yeah, interesting, it's interesting. An interesting start to my day. Alright guys, good morning. Alright, good morning. I'm so tired. I didn't sleep at all last night because of the race. Look, it's still here actually. I still have the setup and everything. No race this time, but here it is. And I brought some breakfast. So I'm gonna explain what I'm gonna be eating for breakfast today. So this here is called Turon. It's a banana with caramelized brown sugar, wrapped in like a spring roll wrap. It's really good. And then this little drink here is called Yakult. It's like a yogurt drink here in the Philippines. So yeah, that's my little breakfast for today. And then we're gonna head to church with some of my family, and yeah, we'll see what happens from there. I don't know what's gonna happen today, so let's go check it out. Hi guys, it's Future Titus here again. Just want to give you a quick update on what you're about to see in this next part of the vlog. Yeah, so before I left for the Philippines, my church back in Canada, they made some scrunchies for some people in the Philippines. So when we left, we brought them along with us, and then we decided on this day, when we went to the church, that we'd actually hand them out there. So this next part of the vlog is me handing out those scrunchies to some of the women at the church. Okay, here we
Hello.
go.
Ready?
This is my cousin Zhao. Zhao, say hi to the camera.
Hey.
How old are you, Zhao?
I'm good.
How old are
How old
you?
are you?
How old are you?
I'm in 6. Yeah.
No, not anymore. You're 7 now.
Yeah, but I'm 7.
You're 7. What's your favorite color?
Favorite color is red and black.
Red.
All the colorful colors. Because I'm colorful. That's why I like them all.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Mabaho. Mabaho.
Ang mabaho.
Yan, mabaho.
Ano?
Come on, Miss Mabaho.
Oh, here. So, okay.